Good morning, folks. Welcome to another edition of the 7-Minute Morning from 7 Movements. Today we're going to focus on full body mobility and make yourself feel really good for this Thanksgiving Monday. So first thing we're going to do is always start with a little circulation. Go ahead and grab your hands over your knees, and we're going to do a little scrub over top of each knee. So I'm putting pressure on the inside of the bone, the outside of the bone, and the front of the bone all at the same time. Just create some warmth like you're starting a campfire. Going to the other side. The reason why we drive circulation into the joint is it actually creates a little bit of lift and creates a bit of space at the joint. So that's what this rubbing and scrubbing is so important for. Okay, take your knuckles, you're gonna rub them on the bone on the outside of the thigh. This big landmark here where all the tissues on the outside of the body cross over. Okay, now we're going to go to your lower back. Right on the sacrum bones. And go over top of the lumbar spine. Okay, and then let's go to the collarbone. Feel like you're dusting off the shelf of the collarbone. Okay, and to the other side. All right, now we've got a little bit of circulation onto these key anchor points. We're gonna have you start in a staggered stance. So one foot front, just further in front of the other one, and we're just gonna reach towards the ground. Then we're gonna reach up to the sky and repeat. Okay, other side, stagger the other foot forward, same movement. Cool. Next one, let's go with a wide stance. And here you're just gonna twist. See how I shift my weight towards my lead leg? Shift to the opposite side. Nice and slow and rhythmical. Extending this back leg or my trail leg. Your eyes, follow your hands now. More. Okay. Now we're going to actually do some steps. So we're going to step back here. And as we step back, just go ahead and reach those arms straight out. Straight out. One more. Okay, going to the other side. And one more time. Okay. Next one, we're going to go to the side. As we step to the side, take that arm over your ear. Step, reach arm over ear. Nice long stretch on the outside of the body. You're taking water, pour it out of your ear on this side. Gives you a little bit longer stretch. Try the other side now. Think about getting long, long, long. There we go. Long against gravity. One more time. Great. Okay. We're We're gonna go forward lunge this time. And then we're gonna drive those arms way overhead so you feel a big long stretch through the front of the body. Other side. And one more time. Good stuff. Okay, and the last one we're going to do is we're going to go a little bit wider than shoulder width apart squat. As you squat, you're going to rotate your body. Rotate your body as you squat. Just a little squat. Loading this hip into rotation. Okay, now you're going to take your back leg, squat a little deeper and let it pivot with you. And the last one we'll finish with, you're just going to put your hands on the ground, bring one knee across your body, then reach forward. Knee crosses, reach forward. Last one, hold for a little bit. Hold, hold, hold. Last one on this side. Hold, hold, hold. There you go. Thanks for joining me on Mobility Monday. I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Thanks so much for following us all along. We really are blessed to have you as part of our subscription group.